did you bring us something? Oh, wow, is that a little woodzeez? Boobleez? Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, look at all the glitter. Ooh, that's so fancy. Okay. So it says pull out tab, tap on head to activate lights. It's gonna light up, super cool. Okay, let's look at this page. Whoa, there's so many. Ooh, comment down below which one you think is gonna be inside. They look so unique. Okay, so here it is, the final reveal. Cute and so soft. Before we light it up, let's figure out which one we have. Oh, it looks like Munchie the Moose. Wow, that is super duper exciting. Okay, so now it says pull out the tab, tap the, oh! Did you see that? That is amazing. Wow. Well, if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.